video is going to explore some of the sensory strategies that we can use to help children who find dressing difficult. When we're getting dressed, clothes have so many different textures and feels. There's labels, there's different fastenings and fittings, and it can make clothing quite difficult to tolerate. We've talked about deep pressure tactile input on a number of videos, and that's another thing that's going to be really useful when we're thinking about dressing. So before putting on clothing that might be challenging for a child to tolerate, we can use our deep pressure tactile input to desensitise the skin. This is going to be particularly useful around cuffs and collars and where there's a label that a child finds difficult to tolerate. Gently rubbing the skin to provide deep pressure tactile input can help to desensitise that and make it easier to tolerate. As a child grows, encourage them to do this for themselves to provide that input that is calming and will help them to be able to wear the clothing. Explore different types of clothing so that your child feels in control of that sensation.